Okay, we're going to begin our writing lesson for opinion writing. Remember, we are working from our workbook that is the Writer's Handbook, Opinion 1. Today we're going to be doing our opinion paragraph. So we already did the persuasive letter, flipping past that to the opinion paragraph. All right, so an opinion paragraph tells about an opinion or the idea a writer has about something. It explains all the reasons why the author holds that opinion. An opinion that uses clear words and shows how you feel about the topic. So that's what we want to make sure to do during this lesson. We want to use strong reasons that support and explain our opinion. And at the end, we want to give an ending that repeats your opinion, possibly using different words. So we begin with our opinion and we end with restating our opinion. Let's look at this example. A ukulele is a great instrument for kids to learn to play. Okay, so this right here, this is our opinion. This is our topic sentence, okay? So everything down here is going to be the reasons. It is a lot like a guitar, only smaller. That means it's easier for a kid to hold. A guitar has 6 strings, but a ukulele only has 4. Okay, more reasons why it's good for kids. It's easier to play because there are fewer strings. The ukulele comes in lots of different shapes and colors. You can even get a red ukulele or one with your favorite picture painted on it. Okay, so it's fun for kids. You can get one of a color, a special color, or even a picture with it. The best reason for learning how to play the ukulele is that you can show off your singing talents. So there's another reason that it's great for kids to learn on a ukulele. I think every kid should learn how to play a ukulele. So at the end here we see that the opinion is restated. So opinion, supporting reasons, and ending that repeats the opinion. Notice that they use the words only, but, because. So these were good linking verbs, okay? We can also use in addition, plus, often, finally, and. Okay, so we're going to move on. This is your assignment for today. So when we look at this side, I want you to remember that we are only doing this. This is our Monday work. We're not moving on to number 2, okay? Only number 1. So when you take your picture, you can just take the picture of the top part. And this part is just for where I model what it looks like to write an opinion paragraph. Okay, so number 1, the drums are, and I'm going to cross this out and put a difficult instrument to play. So I'm not going to say that they're the most difficult because I'm not sure I agree with that. But I'm going to put the drums are the most difficult to play because you have to spend a lot of time practicing. And that could probably be true about a lot of instruments. Okay, so because you have to spend a lot of time practicing. Okay, let me zoom up on that a little bit so you can see more of it. There we go. Okay, another reason is because I was thinking that the drums are difficult because sometimes you might play too fast, right? But other times, you might play too slowly. Okay, so sometimes you might play too fast and other times you might play too slowly. And sometimes you might play loudly. Got my letters reversed. Loudly when you should play softly. So I just think for me, it seems like the drums would be hard to master because you'd have to find the right beat and the right rhythm, not too fast, not too slow, not too loud, not too soft. You'd have to find just the right rhythm and beat. So in my opinion, now I'm going to take my opinion sentence and rework it a little bit. In my opinion, drums are a tricky instrument to master. All right, so I'm gonna fix this up here. It's a little bit too. There we go. All right, so here we have the drums are a difficult instrument to play because you have to spend a lot of time practicing, period. Another reason is because sometimes you might play too fast, but other times you might play too slowly. Sometimes you might play loudly when you should play softly. In my opinion, drums are a tricky instrument to master. So I have my opinion, I have my reasons, and I have my closing sentence. This is what we're going to be working on tomorrow, but we're going to be talking about lots of things. You can talk about, you can give your opinion about sports, maybe what sport you think is the best and why you think it is. You can give your opinion about a certain instrument, which instrument you think is best to play and why. But we're going to be talking about that, actually not tomorrow, we're going to be talking about that on Wednesday. And we will brainstorm some ideas together. But for today, this section is all you're completing. So you just turn that section in and you're done for today.